deep as we've been in. Okay, now we're safe. I think this is the first time we're gonna get defeated by trail. Oh. Okay, guys, we are going up to Sprout Mountain. We're letting the dog out right now, and we're gonna air down.
Come on.
Come on. Oh gosh.
Jeez.
Don't go down the cliff, please. How we doing, babe?
Good. We just had a really good croissant for breakfast.
Oh, the best croissant.
La Baguette in Revelstoke.
Yeah.
So good. So good. Get it warmed. Life changing.
Okay. So there is some fresh snow up on the mountain. We're gonna try to get to the Sprout Mountain Fire Lookout. We have to use a ATV trail, so the Jeep probably can get it up, but we'll see. But we're gonna go up, check it out, see how far we can get, and we're gonna go from there. Leggy's happy, a little limpy still. She's an old girl. Oh yes. Okay. We actually got to get to work now.
It's cold.
So you guys might be wondering why we keep using this thing to air down the Morphlate. It's because I lost our tire deflators, and then when I was looking around in the back here, I found them. So now we can actually deflate all 4 tires without having to haul out all these cords, which is nice. The only problem with the tire deflators is they're set to a certain PSI, and that's kind of where they get left. With the Morphlate, we can adjust it depending on the circumstance. So both are good, but they'll make airing down a little bit easier now. Okay, let's do this trail. You stay. Okay. What do we find?
Found a cave. Literally on accident. So let's hope there's something hibernating. Wow.
Oh. We get stuck.
Oh, don't even say that.
It's like Dracula's den. Whoa. I was holding like this and this thing moved. Okay, at least it's not supportive.
Yeah, I don't think it's doing anything important. I don't think any of these are. Like, none of these are support beams.
Does it go anywhere?
No, this is it.
Still, it's pretty cool.
It is cool.
Wow. So much for the freaking lights on Amazon. What is this dinky thing?
It's also not as dark in here as I thought it was going to be. Like, the flashlight's not adding.
You got a whole lumen.
This is cool. What was this?
Cool. Well, continue on. I need to add acid.
I know, that's why I asked you that. Ah! What did you do?
It just scared me. I'm gonna die.
This is it. This is my baby. It's a cool little... Ah! Slippery. Oh, this ice, this ground.
This thing break?
What is it?
Wow, more cheap Amazon shit. Holy. Okay.
Survival 105.
Survival bullshit.
That's beautiful.
What's up with this drone? Come on.
What's the battery at?
3/4.
No. It's very cold.
Really?
I can feel it like setting in through my sweater.
It's funny, we're not even at the trailhead yet. That is beautiful. He's like, at what point do I get to have some fun?
Yeah, right? Leggy. You dumbass. You're Legacy.
able to get up. Leggy, come here. Come. You chose to go down there. Legs, come. 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 Come on. You're not a little kid anymore. Sprout Mountain. So guys, we are hitting quite a bit of snow. It's about at least 1.5 feet or 2 feet.
It covers my ankles.
Yeah, this is what we, and you can see we're just at the point where the trailhead begins, and then we still have to go all the way around and then come up, because the hiking trail goes this way, the ATV trail goes all the way around. So I don't know if we'll get up there and make it, but we're gonna try. At a certain point though, it's smart to always turn around, because I have the safety of myself as well as everyone else in the car.
Look, that's not going anywhere. We can try again when there's less winter.
It's not worth our lives. But yeah, we're gonna keep pushing, because the road is still wide enough to correct if we start sliding a bit. Yeah, but we're gonna keep going. I think this is the first time we're gonna get defeated by trail.
Yeah.
Because if this is just the Forest Service Road going up,
yeah, I don't really want to know.
The ATV, yeah, because like I can't even see where the edges are.
No, like you literally, like you can't see hardly. I mean, the camera sees a little better than we can, but it's...
And if we had a few extra people, it might be a little easier to recover and stuff, but...
If we're going up with more people, yeah, but I think the smart thing would be to... We'll come back in the spring.
Yeah, this is a good area to kind of turn around. If I can get out of this dip. Yeah, okay, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to head back down the mountain safely, and...
the fog is getting thicker the longer we sit here.
Yeah, it's just rolling in. Yeah, it's like I almost went into the ditch at one point because I couldn't see where it was going.
Like, the snow is deep.
Look over here. Yeah.
I guess he stinks.
It's because she's nervous. She's got a nervous stop. All right, let's head back down. At least we can follow our own ruts.
Yeah. We'll have to trail breadcrumbs.
At this moment, we felt incredibly disheartened. Like wounded animals, we headed down the mountain. On this trip, we found the limitations of our Jeep. However, that wouldn't stop us from enjoying the adventure. Because at the end of the day, that's really what it's all about. The pursuit of adventure and exploration. Being together and discovering who we are as people. And finding our true north. Joelle and I strive to bring our audience the best content we can. However, our personal safety and well-being is our first priority, especially when adventuring up in the mountains during extreme weather conditions. For us, this was a learning lesson. If the path in front of you is blocked and you feel defeated, don't be discouraged. Sometimes those moments are what guides you onto a better journey and incredible views. From us at True North, thank you for watching.